Namaskar everyone. I am Nivya Agarwal of grade 6 and a member of Communication Committee.
And I, Adrika Singh of class 6, are your host for the upcoming performances. Are super excited. Nivya, have you ever contemplated the traditional origins of modern Indian orchestra?
No, I never presumed that the orchestra could have ancient associations.
Well, contrary to your doubts, the modern orchestra is woven in creational association with the Kyutapa, an ancient ensemble of musicians who graced places of aesthetic significance such as temples and palaces with their performance.
Well, that sounds interesting. Ancient orchestras performed through the notes of traditional Indian music would have been a great sight to behold.
Indeed, but it isn't a mere gratifying recreation. It also serves as a medium of expression, allowing individuals to evince their artistic intent in a way void of shackles, both temporal and linguistic.
Indeed, in those learned times, each melody assumed the role of narratives of human emotions, touching upon the symbols of the human experience in a way that words often fail to capture.
Absolutely. The interplay of strings, woodwinds, and brass evokes a symphony of emotions,
And even today,
inviting us to delve into the depths of our own consciousness and experience the healing release that only music can allow.
And even today, the orchestra continues to be a testament to the boundless power of music, serving as a passenger for inspiration, solace, and a profound sense of integration that unites us all in the tapestry of human experience.
The next performance shall evince this profound spirit of the expressive aspect of music and the musical concurrence of orchestra. Now, allow me to summon the performers who through their musical brilliance shall leave you awestruck. Chitrangda Singh Shekhawat, Ritvika Singh Shekhawat on harmonium.
Ayushi Badavatka, Dishi Jain, Moli Singh, Rajat, Avni Nayak, Priyal, Amaira Mittal, Devanshi Khandelwal, Yashvi Biani, Akshat Sharma, and Hidakshi Sharma on electric keyboard.
Keshav Tiwari and Dipakshi Kabra on tabla.
Jigyasa Kumawat, Tanisha Kaswan, Vedic Agarwal, and Vibhor Parekh on Congo.
Pihu Sharma, Kanishka Gadwal, Naina Mathur and Navya Jain on sitar.
Raghav Mishra and Vaibhav on dholak.
Harshit Joshi on melodica.
Yashika Sharma on clapbox.
Juhi Jogani and Adhya Parekh Khushi on shaker.
Bhumi Modi and Darshita Bidavatka on guitar.
Shreyansh on electric drum.
Bhavya Agarwal on drum.
blend of talent and dedication has created a symphony that vibrates with the depth of our heart.
Together in perfect harmony, we have witnessed the magic of the orchestra, reminding us that when we come together, we can create something truly beautiful.